Good morning, YouTube. How are we all? Hope you're all doing really well. My name is Tom and welcome to Murray Moto. Changed the name of the channel, it's a little bit more me, but it's still me. And welcome to a glorious morning down here in Cornwall. It's a little bit misty, but it's supposed to be about 25 degrees today, so it will burn through and it's going to be glorious. You can see the blue skies coming through now. Rich. So yes, welcome back to the channel, and this is episode 1 of what hopefully is going to be a nice little series of Cornwall's best riding roads. Obviously living down here for 30 years or so, I've got accustomed to where the good roads are and where the bad roads are, so I just thought I'd do a little mini series and getting out on the bike, what roads are best and, you know, fun to ride basically. And it's a nice easy one today because this is literally the start of that road. I left my house, it's 1 minute up the road, and it's actually my commute to work, which is what I'm doing today, ironically. But this is the B311 and it basically runs all the way from St Ives to Penzance. It avoids the main road, which is where obviously all the sat navs tell everyone to go, so you don't hit all of that tourism traffic, which is obviously ideal because they're a pain in the fucking ass. And you get to go through countryside like this. It's a cracking little road, to be fair. So pull up your pants, tighten your buckles. So it should be quite a fun little ride, to be fair. So we're coming to the little uphill S bend, which goes up into Nancledra. Some wicked windy roads. I mean, look at these views, man. I love riding out here, and I get to do this daily as well. It's absolutely lovely. Head down the hill here. Crimp my ride. Good sticker. Oh my god. I say this is a really good ride until you get stuck down the fucking van. So if you went right there, you could go out into the B306, which is obviously one of my favourite roads. It's been on the channel quite a few times, which goes out towards like Zenner, Land's End and that way. Oh, alright. It's all right away anyway, my darling. You come through this little lovely village, and this is where it gets a bit fun now. Up over the hill, this is Badger's Cross. Some cracking little fun bits of road there. You've got some pretty windy twisties, and then you've got the straights where you can full on open the taps as well. Love it. Oh, I love this bike so much. Oh, there's little slow windies, but with some lovely views. It's just cracking Cornish countryside, isn't it? It's just brilliant. Lovely old cottage, look, thatch roof. Cornwall. And there we have it. The end of the road before we join the main road. Which, as you can see, even at 7 AM it's loaded with fucking cars. But look at that. It's the old Salonian. If you want to go to Sicily, look at the pirate ship out there. Oh, this looks insane. And here's Penzance town. Lovely little town. Full of young mummies and cocaine. Oh. Ah, Davey, Mr. Davey Humphreys. Good morning to you, sir. Let's just wake Penzance up, shall we? Wake up, bastards. And here is my daily parking. Oh, next to a lovely little BMW. Very nice. Oh, Christ. So yes, guys, there we have it. B311 Sunrise to Penzance. And there's the girl in all her glory. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, guys, and you want to see some more cracking Cornish roads, hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, goes a long way. And I'll see you buggers in the next one. Ciao for now.